In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar on Wix. By the end, you'll have your events displayed right on your site, so visitors can see availability, upcoming classes, or important dates at a glance. Start by heading to your Wix account and opening the My Sites page. This is the hub where all your websites live. Find the site you want to work on and choose Select and Edit Site. This takes you straight into the dashboard for that specific website, which is where you manage apps, settings, and content before moving into the editor. From the dashboard, look for the Apps section. This is where you can discover and manage all the tools that extend your site's functionality. Open Apps, and in the search bar, type Google Calendar. Using the search ensures you're getting the official app and makes it quick to find among everything available in the app market. When you see the Google Calendar app in the results, click it to open the App Details page. Here you can review what the app does, view screenshots, and see any notes about features or permissions. When you're ready, click Add to Site. Wix will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and choose Agree and Add. This grants the app the access it needs to display your calendar content properly on your site. After adding the app, Wix takes you into the editor so you can place the calendar on a page. You'll see options to add it directly to your layout. Click to insert it, then drag to position it where you want it to appear. You can resize the calendar to fit your design, switch views between month, week, or agenda, and adjust the style so it blends with your branding. If prompted, connect your Google account and select which calendar to display. Follow the on-screen guidance to finish that connection securely. A few helpful tips as you fine-tune things. Choose a default view that matches how your visitors read your schedule, like a clean month grid for public events or an agenda list for classes. If events aren't showing, check that the calendar you selected is set to be visible or public in your Google Calendar settings. Finally, preview your site to confirm everything looks great on desktop and mobile, then publish to make the changes live. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now added to your Wix site. Thanks for watching and enjoy keeping your audience effortlessly up to date.